Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show, and I'm going to show you this antenna kit that I told you about in the previous video. Get my little buddy out here out of the way. This is the RTL-SDR blog antenna kit for SDRs, and it's a portable antenna kit, and we're going to do a quick unboxing, show you the parts, and then later in another video I will do the actual testing, but that won't be right away because this is outdoor, and well, I say it's an outdoor antenna. You can use it indoors, but as I've mentioned many times before, you have to be concerned about interference indoors from other devices, from computers and routers and all kinds of that stuff like that. So for my use in my location, I'm going to have to use it outside. Now I could stick it outside the window, attach it to the window. I could use it that way, but where I'm at right now is in my office, and it's on the second floor, so getting it stuck to the outside window would mean I'd have to climb on the roof. No, I can't do that. Can't climb on the roof anymore. Too clumsy. So anyway, let's get to the unboxing. Carl, who's the designer of these devices, the dongle, the filters, and now this antenna kit, sent this to me for review. And I'm opening up this for the first time. We're going to see what's inside and what's included. Okay, here's a cable. This is, and I didn't mention in the previous show, this is an extension cable. The cable that's connected to the mount is a little short, so he's included, pretty nifty, he included an extension cable. I think this is about 10 feet. So we'll take a look at that when we go outside. Next thing in the box is nicely wrapped up. And let me see if I can figure out how to get it. Oh, here it comes out the bottom. I say it comes out the bottom. Play a little music while I'm trying to get this out of the bag. Here we are. This is a pretty spiffy little tripod that you can mount the thing on. Kind of cool. I wonder if this is will fit your typical little cameras. It wouldn't be good for a big camera, but pretty cool. Check that out. And these are flexible, so you can wrap it around a tree or something. Okay. Next we have in the bag, we have another mount. And again, I'm going to have trouble getting the bag. There we go. Actually, there's a couple of pieces in here that you assemble. And this is a suction cup mount. Big suction cup. So this you could put on a window and just put it right outside of your room. But keeping in mind that, and this is, I'm going to assemble this real quick. Here we go. You have to keep in mind that you don't want to, is this all the way down in there? You don't want to leave this antenna out in the weather. I'll put that together later. Okay. And then, this is the main part, or parts. And that is two big sections. Now these are, this is configured as a dipole, meaning there's a right and left half. And I'll get the rest of it right here. And then there's two short ones. And you extend these depending on what frequency you want to monitor. Similar to like a regular wire dipole, you'd make the length to resonate at a frequency that you want to listen to. And there is an article about some ideas of what the length should be for a given frequency. Okay, so that's what's in the box. Oh, here's the main part. This is the mount for the dipole. So these guys here screw into here. Let me use the short ones. Easy to show. They screw into here, forming the dipole. Naturally, the higher the frequency you want to listen to, the shorter dipole. So you could even get, way down to here, pretty short, which, for instance, would be probably in the range of monitoring those transceivers that are on aircraft, because they're way up there at a gigahertz, I believe. So that's what I think. I will try it, because I don't have a good antenna for monitoring those transceivers or transmitters that are on those aircraft. All my antennas are too long. This is pretty short. I have to look at his little table of frequencies to determine, how much I need to extend these to get the frequency I want. So you can have either the short guys or the long guys. Now let me just take a quick look here. Extend one leg of this. Boy, these are pretty long. Yeah, I would say these are fully extended. They're good, good 3 feet maybe, fully extended. Okay, and again, you would not want to leave this, for instance, out in the weather and let it get wet and heated and frozen like it is now. So you don't want to leave it out there. You just want to put it up there, do some reception, and then bring it in. Like I say, ideally I could put it on my window here in the office, but it's in the second story, and I'm not about to get on the roof to do that. So I will be using it outside. Now, I just thought of something. I don't have a portable setup for an SDR. I don't have a good laptop, for one thing. I have laptops, and as I showed in my videos on the SDR dongle, I do have a laptop that will work, but it's pretty minimum power as far as CPU. So that would be a struggle. But what I can do is, down in my workshop, there is a window that's right behind my desktop bench that I could put this on using, I could put it on that window using this. And then it's, like I say, it's right behind my workbench. So this cable plus the extension would be more than adequate to bring the signal into the dongle. So that's probably the setup I'll use. The other thing I'd like to try it on is the weather satellites that are passing overhead. They're running at 137 megahertz and thereabouts. So I'll have to figure out what the length of these will be, and try this to see if it will give me good reception on those frequencies of those satellites passing overhead. So pretty excited about checking this out. Got all the pieces here. I still have to finish assembling this mount here, and we'll be good to go. So if you have any questions, please leave a comment, or you can send me an email to trrs73@gmail.com. I want to thank Carl once again for sending me this kit, and we're going to check it out. And as you saw from my previous video, it's pretty inexpensive. I can't remember if it was $12.95 or $14.95, but it's pretty inexpensive. And like I say, he has taken the basic dipole concept and made some modifications. I don't know exactly what the modifications were he made. The main thing he did is he has the thing wired to connect to your dongle via these little connectors. I think these are SMA connectors. So, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed my show, please give me a thumbs up. Have a great day. Bye-bye.